out of the noise and smoke, breaking free from the life I broke. Hands in the ground, feet on stone, building a world I call my own.
Power from the wind I feel, sun above me, everything real.
This is my future, calling me, living wild, living free. I grow my food, I shape my days in light and rhythm in better ways. This is my future, calling me, living wild, living free. I grow my food, I shape my days in light and rhythm in better ways. Morning comes with a brand new sound, life in motion all around. Simple rules, a steady flame, everything alive again.
I don't run, I align. Every step is finally mine. I don't run, I align. Every step is finally mine.
This is my future, clear and bright, powered by the sun and night. I stand strong, I stand true in the life I'm building new.
Living free.